The city of David. Yan. City of David. Biblical city. Yan, the city of David. The minister Jehoiakim made his mark. And Zedekiah the king sent Jehoiakim the son of Shelemiah and Zephaniah the son of Maaseiah the priest to the prophet Jeremiah, saying, "Pray now until the Lord our God for us." At this spot, a bulla and an imprint in clay used to seal documents was found. The bullet bears the name Jehoiakim, son of Shelemiah, son of Shubai, one of the royal officials of King Zedekiah, who ruled over Judah at the time of the destruction of the first temple. The bulla of another royal functionary, Gedaliah, son of Pashur, Jeremiah 38 verse 1, was found nearby. So dito, mapafound dito. Ayan. Siya. Wow. Yan siya, mga ano na lang siya. Yung mga stones. Ito yung King of David City. Yung city ni David. Ayan ang ano niya.
Sisi, dito na nahahanap yung ano?
Alin?
Yung parang naiwan na, yung pinasa natin sa ano?
Ano kay David?
Oo, yung parang documents ng...
Yung ano, yung hindi ba yung Torah, yung ano,
Oo,
yung parang banal ng salita, di ba yun, yung ano ng Panginoon? The large stone structure, the remains of King David Palace. And Hiram king of Tyre sent messengers to David and cedar trees and carpenters and masons, and they built David a house. 2 Samuel po yan, chapter 5 verse 11, mga kapatid. Ayan. Excavation in progress at this site since May 2005, conducted by Elliot Massar. So inano na to, pinag-rest na. Have revealed the remains of a large building known as the large stone structure. Finds uncovered in relation to the structure indicate that it was built in the early 10th century BCE during the reign of King David. In Massar opinion, the building can be identified with the royal house of Cedar, King David's palace. Other scholars contest this view. Ngayon, mga kapatid, King of David, ayan yung sinasabi, yung the large structure. Ayun siya, mga kapatid. Yung ano niya. Ayan. Tapos, ayan yung ano niya.